Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be talking about replacing or cleaning the cabin filter on a 2007 Toyota Camry. This is the X-Ray Victor 40 series. If you haven't done so already, please check out my video, Secrets to Planning and Auto Repair. Now let's get started. Okay, locating the cabin filter on the Camry. As you can see, the camera is focused on the glove box that's located the right front passenger side of the vehicle. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in here, we're going to open the glove box. There's a dampener. Just push it out with these two fingers that way. Release the dampener carefully because it can fall off the bracket in the back. Okay, then you're going to press inward on this upper portion of the box. You got to apply quite a bit of pressure and you're going to pull down. Use two hands. So this is going to pull in that way and this is going to, these two fingers are going to apply pressure that way. You don't want to break, there's a clip in here, you do not want to break it. So you just want to, there you go, get it past the hinge. Like that, and then carefully lower it down. Okay, next we want to locate the cabin filter housing, which is located right here. Identify the two clips. There's a clip here and a clip there. You'll want to remove both of those clips very carefully. So just pinch it in on that side, pinch in on this side, and then pull out towards you. Okay. Now what you see there is the filter. Simply reach in and pull it out. Okay, look what we have here. Okay. So now let's talk about the condition of this filter. Besides the debris on here, let's talk about the fins here and whether or not we think we can simply vacuum this out and replace it. It looks like it's in pretty good shape. So let's visually inspect this filter and decide whether or not this filter should be replaced. Okay, looking at the filter, these vents are very straight. If this filter was contaminated with moisture, these vents would be slightly bent, like so. Okay, these vents are nice and straight. On the front, which is where the air is flowing upward, and so that's where it's caught in there. And then on the back too. And you see they're nice and straight. So I would say that this filter is very functional. This is a charcoal filter. You can see it has the black charcoal in there, so it's a fairly high quality filter. And so I'm gonna say that we should reinstall this filter after it's cleaned. And so we're going to go ahead and move forward with the cleaning. Okay, you can see now that we've completed our cleaning. All the large debris, the large particles between the vent panels have been removed. And this is perfectly serviceable. So I'm going to reinstall it. Let's do that. Okay, let's go ahead and reinstall the filter. One thing you might want to do is before you install the filter, you want to reach your hand in here like so, and there's a fan, and just feel in there and see if you feel any large debris. And if you do, go ahead and vacuum that area out before putting the filter back in. So there's directions on there that says upside. We'll simply slide it back in. There you go. This says up. Just gonna clip it back in. There you go. That was very easy. Okay, so now we're gonna reinstall the glove box. Try to stay out of the way of the camera. You have these brackets here. You slide the glove box up onto these brackets. Rotate it up like that. And you're gonna press in these sides and it just clicks in place like that. Hope you can see that. Shift the camera a little bit. Now we're gonna focus in on the dampener on the right side. Bring the camera over like that. So now you're gonna take two hands, pinch the dampener, pull it down and click it onto that little bolt right there. Okay, pretty straightforward. And we're just about done. Now we're going to check the functionality of the glove box. Works fine. That about wraps up the cleaning or replacement of the cabin filter on the 2007 Toyota Camry. This is the X-Ray Victor 40 series vehicle. I hope you guys enjoyed the tips. Until next time, drive defensively and we'll see you later.